people, hello my friends, hola amigos. In today's cooking video, I want to give you a very warm welcome for watching this video, and I want to show you some excellent food, an excellent dish, which is a restaurant style dish. So I want to show you how you can cook at home restaurant quality food. So if you follow my instructions, you can eat at home like in an expensive restaurant. And for this, we have an Argentinian steak for today. So this is going to be like an Argentinian steakhouse at home, no? Of course, my chef at home style. And we are going to make it with some sweet potatoes and asparagus. And I have a chimichurri sauce just to complete the Argentinian experience from the other day. So let's see what we are going to do. So first, I'm going to make the sweet potatoes, and these are going to be the shape as the fries. It's like buttons. So this is the shape of our potato, like fries. I'm going to put in this tray all the potatoes. Like this. And again, first I slice and then I get the desired shape. And what I'm actually going to do is change the tray. I get the wider tray. This is going to be so good. Okay, so I have my sweet potatoes cut. I'm going to put some olive oil, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and smoked paprika, pimentón de la vera. Okay, when I have it seasoned with my hands, I'm going to distribute very well all the spices so it won't get burnt and will be properly seasoned. So I wash my hands, and this is how my sweet potato should look, and it's going to go into the oven 200 degrees Celsius 40-45 minutes. Okay, for the following step, what I will do is to clean my asparagus. The very typical restaurant garnish, green asparagus. So I'm going to cut off approximately 5 centimeters the tail, and this is rubbish. Or you can use it in the vegetable stock if you want. I'm not going to make stock today, so I don't need it. And with the peeler, you're going to slightly peel the bottom of the asparagus. Okay, so this took us approximately 1 minute, and this is how your asparagus should look. Peeled the bottom side, so you avoid from those strains in your mouth, and this is going to be an absolutely delicious fresh asparagus. Our next step is this beautiful Argentinian loin, which I have removed from the fridge 3 hours before. So it's been at room temperature for 3 hours, and this will help us keep the meat in the desired point and keep it tender. Seasoning is very simple. I will put some olive oil, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Some people say that they don't salt their meat before cooking. I like to do because I like my meat tasty. What I'm going to do is to rub all around this little seasoning, touch the meat a little bit, be in contact with the food. Oh yeah, if you like meat, you will love this dish. Let it season for a while. Together we have prepared the asparagus, and we are going to wait for the sweet potatoes. Okay, so it's only 15 minutes left approximately for the sweet potatoes. So I'm going to cook my asparagus and I'm going to cook my steaks now. Okay, so the first part is going to be ridiculously crazy. I'm just going to sear the asparagus in the hot pan with a little bit of olive oil. When it's properly hot, it's going to smoke a little bit. I'm going to add my asparagus with a little bit of salt. I'm going to sear them. High heat for the asparagus. I want the asparagus al dente, a little bit crunchy, not completely soft. Okay, so now I have the asparagus seared. I'm going to transfer them into a baking tray and put in the oven together with the sweet potatoes. Okay, now we have the pan is hot. I'm going to put it into medium heat. I'm going to add my steaks. So I'm going to start with this one. I want this to medium well because my family likes medium well. And this one also medium well. And this one I'm going to do for proper medium steak. So I'm going to wait a little bit and add later to have it together done at the same time. So at this point I have to be a little bit careful because I don't want to burn my steaks. So I don't want the pan too hot. So be careful because you want it nicely seared, nicely charred, but not burned. Obviously, if you have a barbecue, you can do it on the barbecue, nicer flavor, but I'm showing you how to make at home. Always control the temperature to have it on medium-high heat. Flip and flip. I'm going to sear the sides as well. I want the steak properly seared from every side. Not just the two parts, but also the lateral side. Okay, and this part, I'm going to add the medium steak as well. And sear them together. Getting a nice char, isn't it? Controlling the temperature all the time. Beautiful. Cook the steak going to take approximately 10, 12, 15 minutes. Depends on the desired point. Okay, if you don't have a thermometer, I will put you a picture here. So I will put the picture here and you can use your fingers so you know the point. These are much harder than this one. To this point we have almost done the steaks. What we are going to do is add some butter and it makes our steak more like silky. And just do it like this. Okay, now the only thing left to do is to rest our steaks. Beautiful. This is like pleasure in my life. This is like pleasure in life. I think eating is the second biggest pleasure in life. Guess what's the first? Turn off and let rest for a few minutes. Okay, so at this point I have everything prepared. I have my sweet potatoes done. They are here, beautifully charred, delicious, extremely good sweet potatoes. I have some nice and fresh asparagus. And I have my steaks done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make two different platings for the different steaks. Okay, so I have these two steaks here. Let's cut them. This is the medium well one. As you see, it's almost completely cooked, but nice and pink at the inside. And this is the medium one. As you see, it's much more raw at the inside. This is medium cooked. and it really only depends on your taste how you like the meat. So let's see the first plate. This is our plate here. Let's take some sweet potatoes, beautiful sweet potatoes. Just put on the plate. Let's put some of the asparagus, just like this. Let's put our meat on the top. And also I have some of the chimichurri sauce. To finalize, fire meat salt and just the flour. What do you think? Is it restaurant quality food at home? This is stunning. And the other one, we take some of the sweet potatoes, some of this, the steak on the side, and the beautiful flour. And let's put some of the chimichurri sauce we have. So here we have 2 portions of beautiful, different style, restaurant quality Argentinian steak with chimichurri sauce, sweet potatoes and green asparagus, prepared at home within an hour. It's no more, only an hour it took. So far, amigos, I hope I helped you to create a restaurant quality food at home. Let me know which plating you like more, the medium well or the medium one. And let's see how does it taste. So tender and tasty. Let's try the sweet potato. A little bit crispy, smoky, chimichurri sauce with my meat. If you like steak, you will love this one. And if you like my cooking recipes, please subscribe and see you at the next episode. Thank you very much. Bye.